kiumia kimwe thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kurugamia wira mucirithania wa igoti inene Said Chitembwe na kumba kamiti ya mwanya ya guthuthuria mucirithanio uyu, riu Amemba 12 a kamiti ino rungu rwa muikariri giti jaji Ngugi nimehitithitio ni mucirithania munene Martha Koome niguo mambiririe cikaro ciao. Akiaria hindi ya mihang'o ino, Koome niaugire ari na mwihoko ati kamiti ino ni kurumirira kihoto na thutha wa uthuthuria uria megutabania matue cira uyu na uma na kihoto.
I have no doubt in my mind that the president had good reasons for giving you this opportunity to serve this country and discharge your professional duties in this capacity. I therefore have confidence that you will perform the task before you in accordance with the law, bearing in mind all the principles of fairness that are provided for in our Constitution, and above all, the cardinal value and principle of ensuring at all the time justice is done.
Oho Koome nioririe Amemba kamiti ino matongorio ni mihito iria mehitire muthenya wa umuthi hari gukinyaniria itua riao.
The mandate of the tribunal, such as this one and Article 168 of the Constitution, demands that the tribunal conducts its proceedings transparently, fairly and without bias, whether real or perceived. Another key principle that I would urge you to embrace is that of expeditious disposal of the matter that is before you.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa kamiti ino Ngugi niaugire ni megukorwo na wigiririki uthuthuria-ini wao, kuona uyu ni undu gutheria ritwa ria ruhonge rwa igoti riria rikoretwo ricambicũrĩtwo na oho kuonania ati ruhonge ruru ni rwirugamitie.
I undertake, and I know that my members undertake with me, that we will obey the oath that we have taken, that we will do our duty as members of the tribunal without fear or favor or ill will, and in a manner that will bring honor both to the judiciary and to our country.
Mathina ma Chitembwe mambiriirie riria uria wari gavana wa Nairobi Mbuvi Sonko arekereirie mbica na miario iria yakuruhanagia Chitembwe na ungumania. Na tariki 22 mweri wa 11 mwaka wa 2021 kamiti ya JSC ni yambikirio thuthuria wa mateta maya, ona gutuika Chitembwe ihinda-ini riu ni areganire na gukorwo ekuruhanitie na ungumania. Tariki 25 mweri-ini oro ucio, Sonko ni athirwo ekinyie mbere ya JSC aheane wira, no na mbere ya Sonko arekereirie mbica ici, JSC ni yamukirite mateta mangi matatu megie Chitembwe gukuruhanio na ungumania wa mbeca na migunda. Riu mucirithania munene Martha Koome ni arikitie kwihitithia acirithania a kamiti ya mwanya iria yathugundirwo ni mutongoria wa bururi niguo guthuthuria mucirithania Chitembwe. Riu wagwetererwo ni uria kamiti ino igutuithania. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma igoti-ini itugiru, nie njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.